Hello. So we've done a lot of fun stuff with AI on this channel, and e-commerce is something that a lot of people, probably yourself, are interested in. And so what if we merged those two things and created an e-commerce business only using AI? That is this video. Let's go get into it. So first we have to choose a name and a set of products, and I'm not going to do all that hard work myself. I'm going to outsource that to ChatGPT Deep Research. Now, my only concept and the idea that I want to integrate here of my own, not using AI, is the idea that I want this to be American-made e-commerce. Or I want to sell products that are made in America to Americans. It's a really popular thing right now, right? Politically, especially. We are burning I don't know how much money through tariffs just so people can produce more in America. As an economist, in my opinion, that's a questionable strategy, but as far as e-commerce goes, that is something for us to take advantage of by, again, selling exclusively American-made products. So that is what I fed to ChatGPT, and then I'm gonna let that run for a few minutes and generate the business name in the products that we're gonna sell for us. Now we're gonna get back to that in 1 second, but first I wanna say that we all know e-commerce is tricky for a lot of people, and especially today. A lot of people, young and old, in the last few years have gotten into e-commerce, and they have failed in part because tracking real costs and profit can feel impossible when manual spreadsheets as well as Shopify dashboards just miss the mark. And this causes many Shopify sellers to struggle with ad costs, fees, and other expenditures that slip through the cracks and really do impact that bottom line. So True Profit is the #1 Shopify app that tracks your net profit in real time and manages all costs: ad spend, transaction fees, product costs, you name it. It has real-time insights, syncs with ad channels like Facebook, and even has a mobile app so you can keep track of your store and profit on the go. So here is what using True Profit looks like. This is the desktop dashboard showing daily profits synced with ads, and here's what it looks like on your phone. True Profit is great in helping you save hours and gain real clarity on your profits, which you need to functionally run a business. And so if you're serious about e-commerce, whether you're in it currently or you're going to get into it, this is a must-have. So check it out and join the Profit Tribe Discord for extra support. So stop guessing, start scaling, and use the True Profit link in the description to get started. And make sure as well to join that True Profit community, like the Discord, and the links are in the description for that as well. And obviously we're going to be using True Profit on the Shopify store that we just created. So with that said, let's get back into building this business, this e-commerce business, just with AI. Now, GPT gave us some interesting options here. We have Eagle and Anvil Outfitters for American patriots. We have option number 3, Stateside Modern, a modern lifestyle product selection that just happens to be made in America. We also have Green Frontier Co. to blend sustainability with American-made values, and American Artisan Collective, so a curated marketplace of USA artisans. Now, the 5th business that ChatGPT gave us is my favorite and the one we're going to roll with for this e-commerce play, and that is American Heirloom Co. And I'll let ChatGPT take it from here.
We embody luxury goods with American soul. The style is refined, classic, and upscale. Think elegant serif logos, deep neutral colors, navy, burgundy, cream. The target audience is affluent or quality-focused shoppers aged 30 to 65 who appreciate fine craftsmanship. The product selection is high-end, focusing on artisanal American manufacturers.
Now we'll have to actually find products that are made in America that match this niche, but I'm confident that we can, and once we do so, also with AI, that will be a great setup for ads and for branding to get the word out there about the business. Now let's go set up the actual store. And of course, I'm not doing all that hard work myself. We're going to let AI do it for us, and we're going to do that with AutoDS. I was able to partner with them on a previous video, and they basically design a whole store for you with AI. And so instead of walking you through that whole setup process again, you can go see that in the other video. I'm just going to snap my metaphorical fingers, and here is our final setup store. So that's the store, but you can see that AutoDS stuck these random products in for us, which is not good. So we're going to head back to ChatGPT and ask what products we should sell. And the 7 products that ChatGPT recommended go as follows. A Vegtan leather weekender bag, a small batch distressed selvage denim jacket, a solid wood wash box with glass top, a hand-forged Damascus chef's knife, a pure sterling silver cuff bracelet, hand-blown bourbon glasses, and finally an organic cotton satin bedsheet set. And so I found those products by filtering by suppliers on AutoDS and then searching, and I can also generate product pages with AI, which is very useful. Also, a quick note here, you probably noticed that I selected American-based suppliers, so not necessarily made in American products, so I will be running through these products after that initial section to vet them for being made in America, and if they're not, then I'll just swap them out for similar products that are. Okay, so we have our store set up, and the next step is to use AI to make our store even better, and I'm going to do that through AI apps that are available on the Shopify App Store. The way I found these, and I've never used any of these before, is just by Googling great Shopify AI apps. So you'll learn as well as me as we walk through a few of these. So the first one I tried was an app called Chatty, which installs an AI kind of custom chatbot on your site. The install on this was super easy, just takes maybe, a few minutes to set up and customize, and then it's just available on the site. So I rate that a solid A. Next, I looked at Octane AI quickly, but in my opinion, it's way too pricey for the utility it provides, so I did not install that one. Next, there was Langshop, which basically just uses AI to translate your whole site. You can pay for lots of languages, or for free, they'll translate it into one additional language. The only real language, given the US customer base, that I want to translate the site into is Spanish, so I went ahead and did that. Then I went for Boost AI Search and Discovery, which lets customers search and engage with your site using AI. There's a lot built into this app, and the install was similarly easy, where it just installed itself essentially on the whole site. So I also really like that one. That's another A rating from me. Now, the last one I installed was Yodel, and they generate AI descriptions. And the descriptions, it seems generally that they generated were shorter than the pre-existing ones, and they were well written. So I don't think it's incredibly valuable. It's not a life changer, but it is nice to just quickly generate descriptions based on some kind of pre-existing information, say a document that you have about the product. So there we go. Our whole store is set up with products and AI apps installed. And I actually want to dedicate a whole video to AI ads to really get into and try a lot of different solutions and really explore how the ads turn out and also actually test them in the real world versus ads that I pay freelancers to create. So freelancer versus AI ads, that'll be a whole video in of itself, and make sure to subscribe if you do want to see that in the near future. So that was fun, we did it. I hope you learned something, and maybe I'll actually run ads on this e-commerce business and see if our products sell. So if you want to see it turn into a series, make sure to let me know by liking this video and subscribing. And again, make sure to check out True Profit with the link in the description to save time and gain real clarity on the costs and profits of your e-commerce business. That said, I hope you have a good one, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.